Hello class and welcome to week 2 of English 101 Online. For this week in English 101 Online, you will be continuing to work in the Tech Learning module. And the Tech Learning module is of course found on the navigation bar in Blackboard. For this week, if you look at the calendar, you will see that you will have to provide a thesis statement practice, and you'll be doing the Tech Week 2 discussion board post as well. So let's look at that. If you log on to the calendar, if you click on the calendar, you will see Tech Learning Resource for Week 2. And in it, you should be able to find information about the writing process, pre-writing, and thesis statements in Lumen. The Lumen tab is on the navigation bar as well. Once you have read through the information there for Lumen for this week, I'd like you to compose a thesis statement on the discussion board. Based on a topic that you'll choose from the readings that you will do for this unit, for this module on the Tech Learning module. Okay, so review, just to recap, review the Lumen and then compose your own thesis statement based on the topic you will be choosing for your essay. Further in the week, you will have to do the Tech Week 2 discussion post as well. And for this week, it's a post-quote analysis chart that you will be doing. And the chart is attached. I really do prefer if you copy and paste the chart into the text box of the discussion board rather than my seeing an attachment. It's easier for me to grade it that way. The one thing I want you to note is you do have to fill out, or two things. You do have to fill out this chart using a quote analysis based on the readings that you do for the Tech Learning modules for this week. But after that, below the chart, I want you to compose 2 to 3 paragraphs that summarizes the information from all 3 of the readings. Okay? 2 to 3 paragraphs that summarize the readings from each of the paragraphs. So please don't forget to do that separate paragraph. And I'll also respond to at least 2 other posts for the discussion. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.